And now it's time to meet the 49th season PBA Philippine Cup champions, your San Miguel Beermen! Winning his first PBA championship from Capas Tarlac, wearing jersey number 22, J.M. Calma! Also with his first PBA championship from Argawa clan, number 11, Andreas Kahine! Also with his first PBA championship from Ibahaya clan, number 1, Chris Rosales! Winning his second PBA title from San Juan, number 21, Jeron Tang! This PBA veteran and former Most Improved Player awardee played in his first PBA finals in more than a decade. Finally won a chip in the 49th season PBA Philippine Cup Final Series from Quezon City, number 33, Wami Johnson! Up next is a PBA veteran that had his third PBA title from Catanduanes, number 2, Don Troliano! A four-time PBA champion from Quezon City, number 91, Rodney Bondial! A former number 1 draft pick, and in his fourth PBA title from Taguig City, number 3, Big Mo Tautua! Up next is a 4-time PBA champion. He is also a member of the Guamanian national team from Pasig City, number 39, Jericho Cruz! This member of SMB's legendary Death 5 is the all-time leader in three-pointers made. In his 12th PBA title from Ilocos Sur, number 13, Super Marshall Blessiter! Another member of SMB's Death 5, this two-time finals MVP, is also a playing assistant coach for the squad from La Paz, Leyte, number 6, Chris Ross! Up next, he was the best player and finals MVP of the 47th season's Commissioner Cup. From Bautista, Pangasinan, number 77, the Predator, CJ Perez! He became part of the PBA's 50 greatest players last April and holds the record for most season MVP awards, and at 8, from Pinamungahan, Cebu, number 15, the Kraken, Junmar Fajardo! Head coach of the San Miguel Beermen is 10-time PBA champion coach Leo Austria. His assistants are Chris Ross as playing assistant coach, Peter Martin, Ato Agustin, Dayong Mendoza, B-Boy Ravanes, and Boise Samar with consultant George Gallant. Team manager is Gia Banilla, and assistant team manager is Daniel Henares, and their governor is Robert Non. Once again, PBA fans, your 49th season PBA Philippine Cup champions, your San Miguel Beermen! Isa pang palakpakan dyan, guys. Let's go! Okay, mga ka-PBA, ngayon naman, syempre, pakinggan naman natin ang mga messages ng ating SMB players at kanilang mga boss. Syempre, bibigyan tayo nila ng mga messages. Starting off, syempre, the Governor of San Miguel Beermen, Mr. Robert Non.
Hello. Magandang hapon ho sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa pagpunta ninyo and even last night sa panonood ng game. Talagang katuwang namin kayo para magkampiyon. Salamat sa inyong lahat.
Siyempre ang ating PBA champion coach, Coach Leo Austria. It's your time. Coach Leo, anong message natin sa mga PBA fans natin at sa lahat ng mga SMB fans po na nandito ngayon?
Yeah, unang-una, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Kami ay nagpapasalamat sa PBA at binigyan kami ng pagkakataon na makasama ang mga PBA fans, lalo-lalo yung mga taga San Miguel fans. Ay yung loyalty ninyo sa amin ay hindi namin matatawaran. Kaya kami nagpapasalamat. At para sa mga fans itong event nito, dahil alam naman natin ang PBA hindi magiging successful if not for the fans. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Coach Leo Austria. Siyempre, gusto rin natin marinig ang mga messages ng mga paborito niyong players from SMB. Siyempre, simulan na natin ang ating Finals MVP, Mr. Jericho Cruz!
Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Una-una, gusto ko magpasalamat. You guys put in your time to come here and celebrate the championship with us. Maraming salamat sa SMB fans. Kung wala sa inyo, wala kami dito ngayon. Kaya ayun, maraming salamat sa inyo and sana more championship to come. God bless you all.
Maraming salamat, Boss Jericho! Siyempre, kunin natin ang messages ng nating SMB players at mga champions natin. Starting off, Mr. Chris Ross. Yeah, you can just take a seat, Chris.
Thank you guys for your support, especially the whole season. I know we were disappointing last conference when we didn't make the playoffs, but we hope we made you guys proud when bouncing back with the championship. And Kaya says hi, everybody.
Hi, Kaya. Yeah. Chris Ross, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. How about Big Mo? It's time for you to shout out Moto 2, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan!
Hi, everyone. Thank you guys all out for coming, man. I love seeing all of you guys' faces here, man. Oh. Thank you guys for always cheering for us, man. We hear you out there. We do it for you guys, man, always. We appreciate every one of you guys, man. We love you guys, man. Thank you.
Mamaya makikita nyo yun, guys. How about this next one? Rodney Brondial, ladies and gentlemen.
Ay, syempre, maraming salamat po sa suporta nyo. Yun, shout out sa mga tropang natin Seaman dyan. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Pasa naman natin, Jeron. Tang, ladies and gentlemen.
Maraming salamat sa inyo. Alam namin yung panahon medyo maulan, pero mga SMB fans, sobrang wala kayong masabi sa inyo. Umaraw, umulan, lagi kayo nandyan para sa amin at para sa itong championship at sana tuloy-tuloy nyo kaming supportahan. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Geronteng. It's time for Mr. Wami Xiongson, ladies and gentlemen.
Sa mga PBA fans, lalong-lalo na sa SMB fans, maraming salamat po sa pasensya at saka sa suporta. And hopefully, many more championships to come. Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Wami. Mr. Dre Cahilig, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you for always supporting us, and thank you for coming to the games and to this event, and thank you.
Thank you so much. Marshall Lassiter up next.
Thank you. Yes, for the fans, thank you so much. You guys gave us a lot of support. Every game you guys were cheering us on. It meant a lot to us. And this is for you guys. And we're going to try to do this again next All Filipino for you guys. Let's do it again. Running back.
Thank you so much, Marshall. Mr. Chris Rosales, ladies and gentlemen.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. My name is Chris, and I'm a champion, baby.
Yeah! Thank you all. Thank you so much, Chris. JM, it's your turn.
Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Siyempre, mga teammates ko, maraming salamat. Mga coaches, mga boss, kayo lahat. Yun lang. Kita-kita tayo next season, next conference. Magbarilan tayo doon!
Bang! Don Troliano nasa likod, nagtatago. Don, let's go!
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Kami po ay taus-pusong nagpapasalamat sa walang sawa niyo pong suporta sa amin. And magkikita po ulit tayo dito next season.
Thank you very, very much. Don, okay. So lahat na nakapagsalita na. Alright. Siyempre dahil dyan, eto, magra-raffle muna tayo. Guys, dahil sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon, thank you so much sa effort ninyo dahil dyan meron kaming raffle courtesy of DCA Professional Power Tools. Ayan. At syempre, from Arena Plus din. Mamaya, i-announce natin yan. Sir B-Boy Ravanes, pabasa lang daw ng mga winners natin. O ito, nanalo ng DCA Professional Power Tools Grinder. Tatlo yan.
Una-una si Miss Faith Gotong.
Faith Gutong. Nice! Punta na tayo dito. Sino pa?
Pangalawa si Ralph Jason Aguilar.
Ralph Jason Aguilar. Wow!
Pangatlo, Jeffrey Triaxte.
Jeffrey Triaxte.
Congratulations!
Nice. Oh, ito pa, meron pa isa. Sir B-Boy. Ayan po. DCA cordless drill naman ang mapapanalunan neto at siya ay si
Lawrence Del Rosario.
Nice! Congratulations sa ating mga winners. Thank you so much, Sir B-Boy.
Congratulations!
O, diba? Simpleng-simple lang. Nanalo sila ng prizes courtesy of DCA Professional Power Tools. Asan yung Arena Plus? Okay. Kasama na rin doon yung Arena Plus. Thank you very much, DCA Professional Power Tools. And thank you so much, Arena Plus. Alright. Dahil dyan, yung mga players natin kanina, tinuturo nyo kung sino yung magsasayaw. Yung bibigyan tayo ng dance number. Tawagin natin si JM Calma, nasasayaw para sa atin. At syempre, si Wami Xiongson, para sa TikTok dance natin. Kasama rin natin si Dre Cahilig. Let's go, Dre! Andres Cahilig, JM Calma. Let's go, guys, with a TikTok dance. And Wami, yes, you're on the list, man. Come on. You need to show us a little bit of dance move. Okay, ako daw mag-cue, guys. Aba, kasama na si Chris.
Nice of you to join us, Chris. All right, ready na kayo para sa kanilang TikTok dance? Play the music, everyone. Let's go! Uh-huh. Patis. How about you, Andreas? Look at these guys. Come on, guys. You can do better than that. Isa pa, guys. Gusto niyo pa? One more time. Let's go. Okay na daw sila, guys. Okay na yun. Thank you very, very much, guys. Of course, Chris Ross is just doing it right now. Yung MVP, gusto niyo makita magano? Si MVP natin. Let's go, Jericho! Isa lang. Bigay na natin yan para sa ating TikTok dance. Jericho and Mo, can you guys do it? I bet you can. Let's go. Okay. Sige, kukuha tayo ng dalawa. Kay Mo, tsaka kay Jericho. Sino gusto makasayaw, si Mo, tsaka si Jericho? Dalawa lang. Let's go! Akyat na tayo dito, guys. TikTok dance lang to. Siyempre, hindi na kayo dapat magpatumpik-tukpik pa. Piliin nyo na. Sino gusto nyo makasayaw? Ayan, hinila si Marshall. Awan din sa... Talaga naman. Ang tamis. Ready, on my cue. Marshall, Wami. Jericho. Uy, isa-isa lang. Lahat pinakyaw nyo na yung player. Grabe kayo. Nag-stretch pa tuloy si Marshall. Halika na. Let's go, guys. Let's give what the fans want. Okay. On my cue. Ready. Okay, set muna natin stage. Ate, may partner ka na. Ayan, wow, dalawa pa yung partner mo. Si Mo pa, si Dre. How about ikaw, ate? Sinong partner mo? Si Wami. Ayan, kay Wami ka. Ikaw, ate, sinong partner mo? Silang dalawa na. O, sige. Si Mo. Mo, sama ka na rin dito. Join Andreas. Ready na tayo para sa ating TikTok dance. Ready, get set, go! Okay na yun, a round of applause. Thank you very, very much. Mo, Andreas, Wami, Rodney, and Marshall. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much din sa inyo, mga ate. Okay, ngayon naman, guys. Gusto niyo ba? Nako! Tago na si Coach Leo. Coach Leo, okay lang ba sa inyo? Nabigyan niyo sila, ang fans, ng isang para naman hindi namin sa basketball na kayo nakikita. Isang sample naman dyan ng TikTok dance natin, Coach Leo. Okay lang po ba?
Alam mo, dalawang klase lang ang sayaw na alam ko eh. Isang sweet at saka very sweet.
Macarena. Alam niyo po ba yung Macarena? Naabutan niyo po ba yun?
Macarena.
Basic na basic sa inyo, Coach Leo. Halika na! Halika na! Oh, panis! Look at that! Ang lupit! Thank you so much, Coach Leo! Galing mo ron! Angas nun! Okay. So ngayon naman, karaoke ka muna tayo, syempre. Tawagin natin si Janine. Asa si Janine? Hi, Janine. Okay, halika dito.
Hello po.
Akyat ka dito. Dali. Pagkakataon mo rin to para makaduet ang ating, ang isa sa ating mga champions, ang San Miguel Beer. Saan ka nakatira, Janice?
Janine po.
Ah, Janine. Okay. Saan ka
Yes po.
nakatira?
Sa Quezon City po, sa Muñoz.
Sa Muñoz.
Yes po.
Okay. Sino ba kasama mo nanonood ngayon?
Yung pinsan ko po, si Ate Det po, andun po, ayun kumakaway.
Gano'n ka ba ka-diehard SMB fan?
Sobrang diehard fan, syempre.
Talaga ba?
Opo.
O sige, kakanta ka. Sino
Okay.
gusto mo makaduet sa
Si
mga
Jeron
SMB
po.
fans?
Si
Sino?
Jeron.
Si Jeron daw. Si Jeron. Jeron. She wants you to join her to sing just a bit of a song, okay? Di ba? Sample lang yan, okay lang yan. Yun yung nga yung mga hinahanap natin eh. Yung mga hindi magagaling kumanta, Jeron. Okay? Tingnan natin. Okay. Check. Etong song na to, tingnan natin. Sige, let's go. Palakpakan naman natin, Jeron, Teng, and Janine.
Meron bang lyrics?
Meron lyrics yan. Let's check the lyrics right now. Yan na, nasa likod. Ayan. O hindi, ikaw muna, Janine. Wait lang, habang nire-ready natin yung music. Anong message mo kay Jeron? Tsaka bakit siya yung napili mo naman na maka-duet dito?
Kasi grabe, tingnan mo naman, ang gwapo-gwapo. Tapos, ang galing pa.
Guwapings na talaga. Tignan mo naman yung balat. O, di ba?
Pa.
Okay, sige. Kantahan na muna tayo, Jeron, ha? Janine, let's go! Ready?
We were both young when I first saw you. I
Close my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there on a balcony, summer air.
Okay lang yan.
See the lights, see the party, the ball gowns. See you make it way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know that you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles, and my daddy said, stay away from Juliet. And I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go.
Let's go!
And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is run. You'll be my princess, and I'll be your princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes.
Yes, thank you very, very much, Jeron, Teng, and Janine. Thank you so much. Jeron, can I have your microphone? Thank you very much, ha? All right, thank you so much. O, pwede na tayong bumaba dito, Janine. Dito sa gilid, ha? All right. Aba, gusto pa nagpa-picture? O, panis. Di ba? Sinamantala na ang pagkakataon. Ganun talaga. Di ba? How about our next singer naman para sa karaoke cam natin? At siya ay si Nadine. Hello, Nadine. Akit ka dito, Nadine. Ayan, si Nadine. Wow, Nadine, ikaw, saan ka naman nakatira?
Taga Bulacan po.
Sa Bulacan?
Yes.
Okay, malungkot ka ba?
Hindi naman, kinakabahan.
Gusto mo yata kinakabahan ka, bakit? First time mo bang makalapit dito sa mga players?
Hindi, first time ko kasing makaduwit yung mga idols.
First time mo makaduet. O, wag na muna para hindi na ka na first time. Nadine, saan ka naman nakatira ulit? Saan ka nakatira?
Bulacan.
Sa Bulacan, okay. Sino bang kasama mong nanonood ngayon? Shoutout mo.
Yung mga ka-SMB fan ko, yan.
Undam-
Shout out sa Blazing Beerman Clan.
Ang daming SMB fan talaga sa Bulacan, eh, no? Ikaw naman, sino bang gusto mong makaduet ngayon?
Gusto ko sana yung pinakamaangas sa San Miguel ngayon eh.
Sino ba ang pinakamaangas sa San Miguel? Para sa'yo.
Yung finals MVP natin ngayon, si Jericho.
Si Jericho? Nako, wala na, umuwi na. Tignan nga natin, si Jericho. Boss Jericho, gusto ko daw maka-duet. No, May lyrics naman tayo. Okay, palakpakan natin. Pumayag na. Jericho Cruz. Jericho, pinapakilala ko pala sa'yo si Nadine. Si Nadine, ayan. Ayan. O, pakita mo yung banner. O, ano yung nakasulat sa banner? Jericho, angasan mo pa. O, di ba? O, sige. Ayan, kasama daw si Mo. Yeah, duet, Mo. Okay? Okay, triple microphone.
I'll use this mic. Let's go. Let's get it started. Press play. Don't stray.
Don't ever go away.
Should be much too smart for this.
Not gets the better of me. You time when you and I collide. Let me down. So I say it's all because of you.
Losing my control. Had to say you can say it to your face. It doesn't seem right
Look in your eyes.
to me. Dump out of mind. That it's time.
Tell you why. Say it's infinitely true. Say you'll stay. Don't come and go like you do. Sway my way. Yeah, I need to know like about you.
Thank you. Alright, thank you very, very much, MVP Jericho Cruz. At syempre, si Nadine, thank you very, very much. Alright. Okay. Dahil dyan, mamigay muna tayo ng prize. Thank you so much, guys, ha? Okay. So ngayon, trivia question muna tayo. Ang magtatanong ay yung ano natin, syempre SMB Player Champion natin. At syempre, sasagot kayo. Magtataas na kamay at yung may tamang sagot, mananalo ng prize. Alright? Sino yung unang gusto nyo magtanong para sa inyo? Sino? Sige, tayo nila muna maghahanap. First up, Mo. Let's go. Pick a question. Sana marunong mag-Tagalog to. Yeah.
He became ranked 2 in the overall PBA 4-point lead scoring for the Philippine Cup. Also wearing jersey number 2.
Who do you want to pick to answer the question?
Who's that pick?
That one?
30, Jericho Cruz right there.
Yeah, we're wearing jersey number 39. Let's go.
Jericho
Ronel,
Cruz.
halika dito. Good thing the question is in English, right? You know how to speak Tagalog?
No.
No? Really?
Mahirap.
Mahirap daw. Okay, the question is,
Don Toriano.
Don Troliano, is it the correct answer? He became the rank 2 in the overall PBA 4-point lead scoring for Philippine Cup, also wearing jersey number 2. What's the answer? Anong sagot?
Don Toriano.
Don Troliano. Sigurado ba, ka-PBA? Don Troliano, is it correct, Mo?
He is correct.
That is correct. Nice. Mo, thank you very, very much. Don Troliano. Punta na tayo dyan. How about on this side? Sino pa may participate? Punta tayo sa likod. Don! Ikaw, Don! Isa lang, Don. Papasahin lang yung question. Tapos, hanap tayo ng ating fan na sasagot. Pili ka naman ng question natin. Ayan. Uy. Ako medyo mahirap ata to. Boss Don, ano bang tanong natin?
Ano ang buong pangalan ni SMB player number 6?
Yan. O hanap ka ng player, ng fan natin. Sino ba gusto mo sumagot dyan? Doon. Yung nasa likod kaya? Ayan yung babaeng nakatayo. Ikaw ate, halika. Let's go. Ikaw, alam mo ba yung totoong pangalan talaga niya?
Oo, may sagot na dito eh.
May sagot na no? Okay, tignan natin kung anong sagot ni ate. Halika dito ate. Dito ka sa gitna namin. Halika.
Grace Rose.
Number 6, ano ang full name? Buong pangalan daw. Ano, tama ba yun?
Christopher Rose.
Anong pangalan?
Christopher Rose.
Christopher Ross? Tama ba yun?
Tama.
Christopher Ross is correct! Nice! Thank you so much, ate. Naku, punta ka dun. Meron ka makukuha ang prize. Thank you so much, Don. Sino pa? Sino pa gusto niyo magtanong? Rodney! Isang tanong naman dyan. Rodney! Isa lang. Isang tanong lang, Rodney.
Anong sabihin ko?
Ayan. Ito ang question natin.
Kailan magsisimula ang 50th ng PBA?
Kailan daw magsisimula ang 50th season ng PBA? Sino gusto mo sagot?
Yung pinaka-pogi. Ito.
Ay. Naka-jersey mo pa talaga, Rod?
Siyempre.
Dapat tama yung sagot mo, ha? Ang pangalan mo, kuya? Joffrey. Kuya Joffrey, okay. Ano ang sagot mo? Kailan magsisimula ang 50th anniversary, or rather 50th season ng PBA?
October 5.
October 5, anong taon?
2025.
Tama ba yun? Guys! October 5, 2025 is correct! Nice! Congratulations, Kuya Joffrey, ha? Thank you so much, Rodney. Thank you. Okay. We have our last 2 questions. Sino pa kaya? How about Marshall? Marshall, everybody's requesting for you, guys. Let's go, brother. Just pick one question. I hope it's Tagalog. Yeah, it's Tagalog nga. Can you read Tagalog, Marshall?
No, I can't. I don't have my glasses.
You don't have glasses?
How about it?
Okay, question. I'll just, translate the question kung kaya ko, ha? Sino ang nanalo? Who is the winner? Who is the?
Best player of the conference in the Philippine Cup 2025.
Who do you want to answer? You can pick a fan.
I'm gonna pick.
Wearing red. All right. Let's go, kid. Ayan. Anong pangalan mo nga ulit?
Alonzo.
Alonzo. Meet Marshall Lassiter. Nice. All right. The question is, who is the best player of the PBA Philippine Cup 2025?
Junmar.
Junmar. Ano apelido niya, Junmar?
Fajardo.
Junmar Fajardo.
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Yes.
Is that correct, Marshall?
Yeah, that's correct.
That's correct. All right, nice. Alonzo, congratulations. You won for yourself a prize courtesy of our sponsors. Thank you so much, Marshall. All right. And we have our last one. Last one na lang. Sino? Sino gusto nyo, guys? Para sa inyo to kasi. Yung nagtatagalog naman, ha? Ang hirap naman mag-translate eh. JM, ikaw daw. Boss JM, let's go. Itong tanong na to, JM, para sa'yo.
Para sa akin talaga. Ang JM, sa pangalan ni JM Calma ay nangangahulugang ano?
Uy, naku, parang wala masyadong nakakaalam nun, ah. Ayos yun, ah. Nice question yun, ah. JM, sa tingin mo, sino pa man na pipiliin mo dyan?
Ayun, yung sa dulo.
Ayun, yun, nasa dulo daw, si Kuya. Halika, Kuya. Siguro mabilis internet nito, na-search na agad, no? Tingnan natin. Kuya, anong pangalan po ninyo?
Arnel Nunez po.
Kuya Arnel, okay. Yung JM daw sa JM Calma na pangalan, nangangahulugang, anong ibig sabihin?
John Michael.
John Michael, sigurado ba yon, JM?
Mali ata.
Mali ata.
Tawa.
John Michael pala, congratulations, kuya! Thank you very, very much. Okay, JM, thank you so much din, ha? Alright. Okay, ngayon naman, syempre, lipat na tayo, mga ka-PBA, sa ating awarding ng Finals MVP, courtesy of Arena Plus and our sponsors. Thank you so much. Tawagin natin ngayon ang ating 49th season PBA Philippine Cup Most Valuable Player ng Finals, Jericho Cruz! Right now, we're doing this awarding of the finals MVP. Mr. Jericho Cruz, palakpakan naman natin! Let's go! Jericho, lahat yan sa'yo na yan. Okay? Thank you very, very much. Alright? Sige, dahil dyan, eto na, magkakaroon na tayo ng photo opportunity together with our players. Pero bago yan, tawagin muna natin ang ating mga friends from Buffalo Wings and Things para sila ang unang makapapicture together with our champions, the San Miguel Beermen. Let's go! Let's go, guys! Players, can we request everybody to please stand up together with the coaches? Let's go, guys. A photo op. Sama-sama lahat. Kasama ang ating friends from Buffalo Wings and Things. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the 49th season PBA Philippine Cup champions San Miguel Beermen Victory Party Celebration is presented to us by Arena Plus in partnership with Araneta City, Gateway 2, Smart Araneta Coliseum, Parmigiano, marketing partners natin, Pocari Sweat, Usana, DCA Professional Power Tools, Fitbar, JB Sports, Don Benitos, Salon Pass, Barilia, Buffalo Wings and Things, Tulip, Ceres, and Avian Sparkling Water. Thank you very, very much. Thank you so much, Jang Vera, the sales manager, Mr. Mark Gonzalez, the area business leader of Buffalo Wings and Things. Okay, guys, ganito naman. Guys, can we face this side? Can we face on this side? Because we will be having a photo op together with the fans. Fans, tayo tayo lahat. Let's go! Para kasama ng mga SMB players and together with the fans. Taas nyo na yung kamay niya, guys! Alright, are we good? Are we good? Alright, thank you very, very much. Ngayon naman, guys, upo muna tayo. Balik muna tayo sa ating mga upuan. Nako, pag hindi kayo bumalik sa upuan natin, hindi kayo makakapagpa-picture sa mga players. Okay? We will be starting it off from the first row. Okay? Sama-sama na tayo, guys, ha? Hindi pwedeng selfie. Okay? Sama-sama tayo. First row. Tayo muna tayo, guys. Lahat ng nasa first row. First row muna. First row. Let's go! Okay? Tayo lang natin ang ating mga players na makababa at makapwesto sa ating area para makapagpa-photo op na kayo together with them. Alright? Alright, first row, let's go! First row lang tayo, first row! Guys, first row, let's go! Guys, once again, everyone is invited. Mark your calendars, ha? October 5, ang ating 50th season opening. Once again, pwede nyo rin i-check sa ating official Facebook page for more updates ang mga details kung saan natin gagawin ang ating 50th anniversary opening. Okay na tayo? Alright guys, yung mga fans natin, third row, let's go guys, third row. Third row. Okay, that's good. We now move on to our fourth row. Special thanks. Maraming salamat Gateway 2 for accommodating us dito sa Quantum Skyview. Once again, thank you very much Gateway Mall 2 for accommodating the 49th season PBA Philippine Cup Champions San Miguel Beermen Victory Celebration. Picture. Alright, pila na agad tayo guys. Let's go. Once again, the 49th season PBA Philippine Cup Champion celebration by the San Miguel Beermen is presented to us by Arena Plus in partnership with Araneta City, Gateway 2, Smart Araneta Coliseum, Armidiano. Thank you so much to our marketing partners, Vocab Respect, Usana, PCA Professional Power Tools, Vitbar, JB Sports, Don Benitos, Salon Pass, Barilla, Buffalo Wings and Things, Tulip, Ceres, and Avian Sparkling Water. Next row please, let's go! Maraming salamat din. Guys, palakpakan din natin ang San Miguel Beermen dahil alam natin pagod sila, di ba? Kahapon, grabe. Talagang todo yung pinaghirapan nila para makuha ang kampyonato na yan. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much SMB fans, PBA fans. This has been the 49th season PBA Philippine Cup Champions San Miguel Beermen Victory Celebration. Good night, everyone!